Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is Stocktober, where we're preparing to stock our pantry for the winter. Okay, pour your beans through and drain them out. And give them a good rinse. Rinsey, rinse, rinse. And if you see any broken ones like that one, you can toss those out. Now we're going to just take a cup measure, and we're doing quarts. So you want 2 cups of beans per jar. And then you go over here to your salsa, and you want a 1/2 cup of salsa per jar. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin per jar. And 2 to 3 teaspoons of onions per jar. And you do that for each one. So you do 2 cups of beans, 1/2 cup of salsa, and 2 or 3 teaspoons of onion. Depends on how much you like onion. Okay, Thad's gonna fill our jars with chicken broth.
Probably have to make a couple, I'm not sure. I think that's good.
Yep,
Or
just
2.
like that. I'd use you don't spill as much if you use a coffee cup or a ladle than just pour it in. Okay, we're gonna wipe off our ring. Warm water or vinegar water. Add our lid and add our ring finger tight. And that is our jar of Mexican black bean soup. Thad filled our water. As you can see, they're covered and they're up to the line in the canner. He's gonna add the lid. This is an all-American canner, and he is putting the little twist things up, and he's twisting it evenly across. We're gonna bring this to a boil and boil it for 90 minutes at 10 pounds pressure. Nice back then.
Yeah, but I gotta make sure.
Okay, this is our Mexican black bean soup. Boy, doesn't it look good.